Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can join our tech family. If it is informative to you, please like our video, share it with your friends so they can get help with these video, and don't forget to press all notification bell icon so you get regular update and don't miss any single video.
IDS and IPS, an intrusion detection system, IDS, shown in the figure, is either a dedicated network device, or one of several tools in a server or firewall that scans data against a database of rules or attack signatures, looking for malicious traffic. If a match is detected, the IDS will log the detection, and create an alert for a network administrator. The intrusion detection system does not take action when a match is detected, so it does not prevent attacks from happening. The job of the IDS is merely to detect, log and report. The scanning performed by the IDS slows down the network, known as latency. To prevent against network delay, an IDS is usually placed offline, separate from regular network traffic. Data is copied or mirrored by a switch and then forwarded to the IDS for offline detection. There are also IDS tools that can be installed on top of a host computer operating system, like Linux or Windows. An intrusion prevention system, IPS, has the ability to block or deny traffic based on a positive rule or signature match. One of the most well-known IPS/IDS systems is Snort. The commercial version of Snort is Cisco's SourceFire. SourceFire has the ability to perform real-time traffic and port analysis, logging, content searching and matching, and can detect probes, attacks, and port scans. It also integrates with other third-party tools for reporting, performance and log analysis. This figure displays the image of a Cisco IPS 4240.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly via our social platforms. Thanks for watching.